Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about the online commerce, right? And not just any online commerce, we're talking about Rakuten. It's one of those great opportunities for both shoppers and entrepreneurs alike. Originally founded in Japan in 1997, Rakuten has grown into one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms, offering a bunch of different products and services ranging from electronics to fashion and from travel bookings to digital content. However, what sets Rakuten apart from the competitors is its unique cashback system, which presents an enticing opportunity for individuals to make money while shopping. But before we get into all that,
Allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon. Put in work, Burke, a business consultant, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also the creator of the wealthbuildersystem.com. All right, so it's the absolute way to make more money, save more money, start your dream business while building a better you. So with that being said, click the link in the description if you want to learn how to make money in your sleep. All right. Also, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Alright, so let's understand the Rakuten's cashback system because it's way different than any other cashback system out there, right? It actually works. Alright, so at the heart of Rakuten's appeal lies the cashback system. So how it works is when a user shops through Rakuten's platform, they earn a percentage of their purchase back as cashback. This percentage varies depending on the retailer and can range from a modest 1% to a generous 10% or more. While the idea of earning money while shopping may seem too good to be true, Rakuten has established partnerships with thousands of retailers, making it a legitimate and lucrative opportunity for users. So the question is, right? Sounds really good. How do you get started? I got you. All right. So getting started with Rakuten is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you kickstart your journey. All right. So number one, sign up, man. Just sign up. Begin by creating an account on the Rakuten website or mobile app. On a mobile app, right? So the sign-up process is straightforward and only requires basic information, such as your email address and password, nothing less, nothing more. Now, number two, what you gotta do is browse some offers. Once registered, explore Rakuten's vast selection of retailers and offers. Whether you're in need of household essentials, fashion items, or electronics, Rakuten likely has a cashback offer that suits your needs. Number three, shop through Rakuten, right? When you're ready to make a purchase, ensure that you access the retailer's website through Rakuten's platform. This step is crucial as it enables Rakuten to track your purchase and credit you with the appropriate cash back. So basically you use it like a search engine, right? You go on Rakuten and you find what you want, you click for the website, and it takes you to that website through Rakuten, and now you're going to earn cash back, right? So after completing your purchase, sit back and watch as your cash back accumulates in your Rakuten account. Now, depending on the retailer's policies, cash back may take a few days or weeks to reflect in your account. Now, number five, cash out. Everybody loves this part, right? Once you've accumulated a sufficient amount of cash back, I'm not sure, I think it's $10 or more, something like that. You can choose to withdraw your earnings via PayPal or opt for a check mailed to your address. Alternatively, Rakuten also offers the option to redeem your earnings as gift cards for select retailers, often with additional bonuses, right? So that's all well and good, but there's another way you can maximize your earnings with Rakuten, and I love maximizing, right? So while earning cash back through Rakuten is straightforward, there are several strategies you can use to make more money. Number one, stack coupons. Take advantage of coupon codes and promotions offered by retailers in conjunction with Rakuten's cashback. By stacking discounts, you can enjoy significant savings on your purchases. And the next one I really love, refer friends. Rakuten offers a referral program where both you and your friends or anyone else you can refer can earn bonuses when they sign up and make qualifying purchases through Rakuten. I believe the sign-up bonus is $30. So share your referral link with friends and family to boost your earnings. Make videos about it on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, Reels, whatever you can do, right? And the other one is strategic timing. Keep an eye out for special promotions and increased cashback rates on Rakuten. Planning your purchases around these events can result in higher earnings. In a world where every penny counts, Rakuten presents a compelling opportunity to earn money while indulging in your shopping habits. All right. By leveraging Rakuten's cashback system and implementing strategic tactics, you can turn your everyday purchases into a lucrative source of income. So why wait, right? Sign up for Rakuten today and start maximizing your earnings effortlessly. The link is in the description. So until next time, wealth builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for the potential of Rakuten, a guide for making money. All right, do my wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.